Hey guys, it is Tuesday afternoon. Are you having a good day? We are about to take Kobe to go to a vet finally. I feel so bad. He's my little baby, but once I got pregnant and then just had London, I've definitely left him out a little bit, neglected him when it comes to taking him to the vet, and it's been a few months since he's been on his Heartgard medicine, so definitely need to get some of that for him. And I just gave him a bath, so he's all crazy looking right now. His hair's drying. But yeah, so we're gonna take him to the vet and then maybe do something afterwards, but we'll keep you guys along for the ride. Say hi, boo-boos. Say hi. Who's that pretty girl? She's like, who is that baby up there? Who's that? Who's that baby? Hi. Hi. Alright guys, well I will see you at the vet's office. Hopefully everything's okay with him. I hope I haven't waited too long. Hey. Are we at the vet? I'm doing good, boo-boo. Entertainment in the waiting room, or the room. Bounce, 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 bounce. Shake, 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 shake. Kobe, everything hopefully looks good. Hopefully you have no worms in your heart. Uh-oh. Don't want to have any wormies. What you doing? What you doing? Uh-oh, Kobe's loose. Kobe's loose. What are we gonna do? Gosh, what are we gonna She just looked so confused. Sniffing around, cubs. Kobe, where you going? Go, boo-boos. It's like, I'm ready to leave. Oh, it's a tough life. It's a tough life being you.
It's okay, baby.
Waiting in line at the car wash. Great.
What's up? How's it going?
There's Cobras. His favorite thing to do is stick his head out the window. Everything was good at the vet. No heartworm. No weird stuff pooping his butt. So he's good. No.
What's up, man? They kick you
Baby
out?
girl sleeping in the back. Glad everything was good with my baby though.
Hey, what time you want to leave on Friday?
London is going to town with some bananas.
Bananas. Ready? Oh my gosh.
She's like, don't you take that spoon away from me. Good girl. Oh, she's dripping.
Oh no.
She's like, can I laugh? You're so good. It's so yummy.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, whoa. Here, catch it when it drips like that.
You're so good.
You're making a mess.
This is the best thing I've ever had in my entire life.
She's like, what is Mom holding?
You.
More.
Oh my gosh, rabbit animal. Ready? Oh my God.
She's like, yes, I am. She was not this excited last time I gave her bananas. Yummy. I think we're going to have to give you a bath after this. You sticky little girl.
Oh my God.
Good job, Bobo.
Ready?
Oh my gosh, she opens her mouth so wide. Good job, baby.
Ready? Ready? Oh my gosh!
It's so good.
Ready? Ready?
What was that? Mmm. So good. Speed it up, Dad. Good job, baby.